Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I really enjoy cooking on a barbecue. From skewers, steaks, pork chops, to veggies and desserts, the range of dishes is almost endless. When it comes to comfort food, in my opinion, there's nothing that beats a nice juicy burger. I have so many incredible recipes, and here's another one to add to this yummy list. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my California burgers. This recipe is amazing. With a perfectly grilled chicken breast along with all the delicious toppings, this is one of our favorites. You'll understand why after grilling them. So my friends, let's get cooking. Here we have 2 large chicken breasts cut in half, and each piece is good for 1 burger. Now, some might have an even thickness, others don't. So we'll place a plastic wrap on top and using a meat mallet, we'll pound it down until the breast has the same thickness. That way, they will all cook evenly. When this is done, we'll season with ground sea salt, some smoked paprika, and freshly ground black pepper. Can you season both sides? Sure, but I don't think it's necessary. Next, we'll move on to the barbecue, and when the temperature reaches between 500 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll place the breasts seasoned side down. We'll close the lid and grill them for 4 to 4.5 minutes before flipping the chicken breasts. This time, we'll grill them for 3 to 4 minutes. About 2 minutes before the end of cooking, we'll place the buns on the upper rack and quickly toast them. When a couple minutes are up, we'll add a slice of cheese per breast. We're using pepper jack, but you can always use another cheese of your choice. And remove the buns. So after the cheese is melted, maybe a minute or 2, we'll transfer the breasts to the buns. Now, let's add the other goodies, starting with bacon, followed by guacamole, and please, don't be shy. We'll also add a nice big tomato slice and then some beautiful butter lettuce. Last but not least, we'll spread the top buns with either mayo, Miracle Whip, aioli, or whatever we prefer. And now we're ready to eat. And my friends, these are our California burgers. Moist, tender, smoky, and absolutely delicious. This chicken burger is hard to beat. The tasty and colorful toppings complement this burger beautifully. Definitely a great choice for the summer. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!